Hello, this is Houston from the Lifelines Neuro support team. Trackit T4A users, this month's tip is just for you. Specifically, how to reconnect the amplifier to Trackit Plus software after a Bluetooth disconnect. If the amplifier goes out of range temporarily, then comes back into range and doesn't reconnect properly, patients or on-site technologists can follow these simple steps. Step 1. First, look at the amplifier to make sure it's turned on and you see the Bluetooth symbol on the display. Step 2. Try pressing the event button on the device 4 times within 2 seconds. You have to do it rapidly, like this. If you do it too slowly, there will not be a Bluetooth reconnection attempt. Now check to see if your connection has been restored. If your amplifier is still not connected, we recommend the next step. Step 3. Click on the Windows icon. Start typing Bluetooth and select Bluetooth and other device settings. Ensure the Bluetooth toggle is set to on. Reset the Bluetooth by toggling it off and waiting 15 seconds before toggling it on again. A connection attempt will now be in progress. Please wait 30 to 60 seconds to allow the software to reconnect. We have one more recommendation for you if your connection still isn't restored. Let's check to see if the COM port is correct. Go back to the Bluetooth and other devices window as you did before. Scroll down and select More Bluetooth Options. Next, click the COM ports tab and see which COM port is associated with the outgoing COM port listed for your amplifier. This is the COM port you will select when using the Trackit Plus software. If there are no COM ports listed, call Lifelines Neuro customer support and we'll help you. Back in the Trackit Plus software, click Options in the Settings tab and select the outgoing COM port number and edit the selection to give it a meaningful name. Click on the Trackit Connect handshake icon on the Home tab after making sure your amplifier is on and within range of the unit. Change the COM drop-down menu to the COM port you just edited and click Connect. Your amplifier should now be reconnected. Confirm by checking the bottom left corner of your Trackit Plus window.
Thank you for choosing Lifelines Neuro. If you have any technical questions, please contact us, your customer support team. Is there something you want to learn about? Send us an email and let us know what you would like to see next. Links are in the description. Please like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our mailing list to see updates from Lifelines Neuro.